the use excess topsoil command lets you identify areas to place this excess volume of topsoil that you may have exceeded from the overall stripping on your project. So with the takeoff tab, you have use excess topsoil, and it's going to look and identify a site improvement to reconfigure. So basically this one here has 6-inch topsoil replacement and sod. So if I come down here and I select this area, you can see that it's going to use 6 inches of topsoil replacement and sod, and this came from my material site improvement manager that I used when I identified my site region. So down here I can configure how I want to reuse or reconfigure that topsoil within this area. I can set it to a constant thickness, I can minimum depth to level plane, or maximum depth bottom elevation. So you can see here you can choose and set that thickness. So instead of maybe 6, I want to throw additional 8 inches in there as a constant thickness. And when I apply that, now I've adjusted that area to account for that excess topsoil. So I'm going to add in an extra couple inches within this area, and hopefully that helps balance out the need to waste my topsoil somewhere else.